Hello everyone, wanted to show you what it would look like when you first log into the Camas app. Start by opening the Camas app, input the email address you want to use for your user profile. If you're a business, you'll want to use an email address associated with your business. If you need help setting that up, please reach out to us. Put my email in. Now when you hit agree, you can click continue, and then you'll receive a PIN in your email that you'll need to log in. So now I'll just wait for the PIN to show up. Once the PIN shows up, type that in, click sign in. Once you're logged in, you can navigate to your profile, likely tell you that your profile has not been completed. Use the edit button. Put your first name, last name. And if you want, you can select profile image and upload an image you have on your profile. Click done, and now your profile is set up.